Hi guys, this is Shashi and welcome to my channel Fear Not English. Today I am going to teach you present continuous tense. So let's begin. First of all, I am going to explain the structure of present continuous tense. Helping verbs used in present continuous tense are am, is and are depending upon the subject, and the main verb is V4 form of the verb. It means verb 4, or we can also say present participle form of the verb. It means V1 plus ing. Syntax or the structure of present continuous tense is as subject followed by the helping verb, which can be am, is or are depending upon the subject, plus verb 4 plus an object. Object is not compulsory. There are three examples. First example is I am teaching in the classroom. Here the subject is I, which is first person singular with which am is used. The second sentence is you are walking in the garden. Here the subject is you, which is second person singular with which are is used. And the last example is he is playing cricket. Here the subject is third person singular with which is used. So with first person singular am is used, and with third person singular is used, and apart from first person singular and third person singular, with all other subjects are is used. To know the rules of different tenses, we must have acquaintance with the table of personal pronouns. Here is the table, you can see. Now use of present continuous tense. There are four uses of present continuous tense. First one is present continuous tense tells about an action which is happening now. There are two examples below. First example is look, she is dancing on the terrace. And the second example is it is raining heavily. These actions are happening at this moment. Present continuous tense expresses an action which is happening in near or far future. First example is we are going to New Delhi tomorrow. This action is taking place in near future. The second example is we are migrating to US in the next year. This action is happening in far future. Present continuous tense is used to express an action which is not happening now but happening nowadays. The first example is nowadays I am working very hard for my examination. And the second example is what is your brother doing these days? Both these sentences tell about some action which is not going on at this moment but happening nowadays. Present continuous tense is also used to express a habitual action or a repeated behavior. The examples are here. First one is my grandmother is always losing her spectacles. It means it's the habit of my grandmother to lose her spectacles all the times. Second one is he is always complaining. It means it is a very common habit of him to complain. The third one is the girl is forever talking in the class. It means it is a habit of the girl to talk in the class all the times. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is the motivation for me to make new videos.